Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Total War Warhammer 3 game on Xbox app on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in, select the right account, then click on continue. Now it will be asking for your PIN or password over here. So enter the PIN or password over here. Now, once logged in, open Xbox app. Again, on the top right here, you can see your profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out. Then again, click on the profile icon, then click on sign in. Now, select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. So, log in with same account and then try to install the game. Now, the next step is to make sure date, time zone, and region is correct on your computer. So, on the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, and then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on over here. Also make sure set time zone automatically is on. In Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically. Now in Windows 11 select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now. Now also make sure the right region is selected. So select the right country over here and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command and then open PowerShell. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. So copy it, paste it over here, hit the Enter key. Now this process will take some time. Now during this process, you will receive some errors in red color. So just ignore the errors in red color and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window and now try to install the game. Now the next step is to repair and reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in store in Windows search box and then make a right click on Microsoft Store, then click on app settings. Now this will open Windows settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And once the repair is done, install the game. Still you're receiving the error message. Then click on reset. Now after the reset, try to install the game. Now the next step is to do the same thing with Xbox app. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app, then click on app settings. Again scroll down, here you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And once the repair is done, try to install the game. Now still you are unable to install, then click on reset. Now once the reset is done, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to click on get updates in Microsoft Store. So open store. So type in store in Windows search box, open Microsoft Store. Now on the bottom left, you will see the library option. So click on library over here. Now once you click on library, on the right hand side on the top here, you can see the get updates option. So click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on Get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on Open Microsoft Store. Now over here you will find Xbox Identity Provider. Now if this is not installed, you will see the install button or get button. In my case, it's already installed. So there is no button. So install it. Also install gaming services. First we will go ahead and uninstall gaming services. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command, hit the enter key. And once done, run the second command. This will install the gaming services. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will again open Microsoft Store. Here you can see the install option. So click on install. Now click on yes to allow and let the download complete. Now once gaming services is installed, now you can try to install the game. Now the next step is to start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. Here you can see all the Xbox services at the end. So make a double click on all the Xbox services one by one, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Automatic, apply, start, OK. Again, automatic, apply, start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find gaming services in the list. So over here you can see the gaming services. Make sure gaming services are running. If it's not running, make a right click, then click on start. If it's already running, stop it and then restart the service. So stop it first and then make a right click once again and then click on start. Again make a right click and then click on start. Now find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, start, OK, and then install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset. This will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. So the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now you can try to install the game. Now also try to install the game from the store library. So use the store library to install the game. So to use the store library, open Microsoft Store. On the left hand side here you can see library. Now in the list, find Total War game over here. So if you find the game over here, in front of it, you will see the install option. So try to install the game from the store library. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. For this, type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall, uninstall. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer, open Microsoft Store. In the search box, type in Xbox app and then click on Xbox app. Now install it from here. You will see the install option to install Xbox app. And once the Xbox app is installed, open Xbox app, log into your Xbox account and then try to install the game. So open it and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to rename WP system and Windows apps folder. Now to rename WP system folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WP system. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP system folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply, OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP system folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names, OK, Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK. Apply. OK. OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename, rename it as wpsystem.old. Now still you face problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open D drive, then make a right click on Windows apps and then rename it. Now before rename, you have to take the ownership, make a right click, then click on Properties, go to Security tab, Advanced. Now click on Change over here, type in everyone in the box. Now click on Check Names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects and then click on Apply. OK. OK. Again OK. Again make a right click on Windows Apps, select Properties, Security tab, Advanced, and this time click on Add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows Apps and then click on Rename and then rename it as Windows Apps.old. Now while renaming it, if you receive any kind of error message which says file is open, in that case open Task Manager on your computer, make a right click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. Now if you find Gaming Services, make a right click and then click on End Task, and also open Services over here and then go to Services and find Gaming Services, make a right click on Gaming Services, click on Stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on Stop. Again make a right click and then click on Stop. Make sure Gaming Services is not running and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as Windows Apps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service. Now the last step is to update your Windows to the latest version using media creation tool. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Now this will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. Run this exe file and then you will see this screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time, but before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so click on install. After the installation, log into your computer, open Xbox app, and then install the game. If you have Windows 11, copy this link, and then go to this website. Here also, you will find media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and then run the exe file. Now click on accept, and then by default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. Set the location as desktop and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find ISO file, make a double click on ISO file. And then here you can see setup file, make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11. Here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Click on yes. Once you see the accept option, click on accept, and then again it will check for update. This process will take some time. Again, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now, when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer, open Xbox app, and then install the game. So one of the steps should help you to install the game successfully on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.